I'm sure you've been prescribed antibiotics at some point. Antibiotics can have side effects, especially regarding the intestinal flora. What do you need to consider after an antibiotics treatment? Let's take a look at that question. Antibiotics are only effective against bacteria. They have no effects against viruses. Antibiotics are generally used far too quickly and too frequently. If you have a cold, you don't need antibiotics. Even for children with ear infections, it almost always does not need antibiotics. It is more important that we cut back the amount of prescribed antibiotics because they are not only useful, they naturally kill the harmful bacteria, and that's what we want. But they also kill the good guys which are inside the colon, and this isn't good. Of course, the colon is not completely destroyed by antibiotics, but part of the intestinal flora will get affected. This is a side effect of antibiotics. When children have been prescribed antibiotics several times in their young lives, there is a good chance that they will develop irritable bowel syndrome in young adulthood. These are late effects, which are not well considered within conventional medicine. So, what are the side effects of antibiotics? The most common one is diarrhea. This is related to the partially destroyed intestinal flora. Often, there are also allergic skin rashes or simply abdominal pain. After an antibiotics treatment, it is important to properly rebuild the intestinal flora. A study from the 2018 revealed that 6 months after an antibiotics treatment, the microbiome was more or less built up, but certain important intestinal bacteria were still missing. And that's why I recommend that after an antibiotic treatment, even if it only lasted for a week, take a probiotic for at least 4 weeks. A probiotic is a product that contains the necessary bacteria. Please make sure that there are at least 10 different types of bacteria in the product you purchase. And, if possible, also add a prebiotic. These are indigestible fibrous substances, basically the food for the bacteria, so that they can survive and multiply properly in the colon. So again, what do I have to pay attention to after taking antibiotics? Take a good probiotic with a prebiotic.